way this AI model works is that it's designed to respond to what the performers are doing. So when they're performing, usually it stays quiet, and when you stop performing, it takes over and continues from what you were doing previously. It's a little bit hard to predict, but that's part of why we were exploring this, was to understand more about its behavior. We've got these new technologies. Of course, I can write a paper about them, but I'd love to be able to explain it through music. And I think that came across to the audience, who were really engaged with what we were doing. They got a different perspective on AI technologies, augmented reality technologies, by seeing this used in a really natural way within musical performance. I teach a class called Sound and Music Computing, which is an honours course here in the ANU School of Computing, where we take students through the basics of creating sound with computers from the ground up. We build musical interfaces with specific computer music programming languages like Pure Data and Jibber. The point of difference with our work is trying to put AI models within a musical instrument so that in some way the musical instrument is operating itself. And hopefully we can develop AI models that behave in a way that really helps the human musician, depending on the kind of music they're trying to make. So a responsive, predictive, and collaborative musical instrument. Yuchen's work is about creating augmented reality musical instruments. What can that really do for music uniquely, which we can't do with other computer systems? So she's designed a couple of different kinds of musical instruments, and one which we really like using is this array of cubes, a circle of cubes around that she can play by touching with different fingers. And because the AR systems overlay her instrument on the real world, it gives her a way of interacting very naturally with other musicians, because she can see what they're doing directly through her headset, as well as seeing her own instrument. We take a lot of inspiration from the idea of collaboration within groups of musicians and use that as an analogy to understand how these AI systems are working. And I think this can lead us to make interesting new discoveries in human AI interaction, collaboration, human-computer interaction, networking, interfaces, graphics, digital signal processing. All of these different aspects of computing come together and are tested through a really exciting, fun thing to do, making music.